Everyone, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are bringing to you how to register and mine on the Delta mining app. This was how the Pi mining app started, and many people took it for granted. So if you know you missed Pi, do not miss this. If you know you missed Pi, do not miss this. Before we continue, let us scroll down and see. You can see that this particular mining is powered by the ICP, which is Internet Computer, which is already a listed token. If you come to the coin market cap, you can see that ICP, Internet Computer, is trading presently at 4.666 USDT, and you can see all-time high. There was a time when this token was up to 750 USDT. So you can see this is a listed token that is performing well and is trading in the market. So they are the one backing this mining app, Delta Mining. So we are going to guide you through the process of registration. To register, you're going to get the link and the referral DID, the referral code, in the description of this video. We shall also provide them in our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. So you're going to see the link, which is this. Simply click the link. It will open up this page. Once this page opens up, depending on the device you are using, if you are using Android, you click on Get It on Google Play, or if you are using iPhone, download on the App Store. So we are going to click on Get It on Google Play. It takes us to the Play Store. Then simply click Install. Once the app is installed, simply click Open. Now, the first thing you're going to see, country/region, which is this. Search for your country. So we are in Nigeria. We're going to choose Nigeria. And then we are going to put our phone number. After choosing your country, now in the space provided, MSISDN, click it and you see your country code will show up. So you're not going to put the first zero, leave the first zero out. So it's going to type your phone number. So once you input your number, you're simply going to click Next Step. Now, once you get here, we are going to provide the referral code, referral DID. Simply paste it here. Once you paste it here, then create a nickname. So the nickname, let me put MIT, and then click Next Step. Now, the next thing you're going to see this, the SMS verification. Click it, and it's going to bring you to here. Click Get. Now you can see there are various options. You can see Nigeria, different numbers, MTN, and so on. Do not choose any of these. Rather, choose the one that says global, that has the WhatsApp logo. Once you choose it, then you can choose any number here. So let us choose, you can see, and make sure you choose those ones that have the WhatsApp icon so that you can register through the WhatsApp, because through normal SMS there may be a problem. So we are going to choose the first option, which is the Okong. So click it. After clicking it, then the next thing you click next step. It brings you here. Now this is what you're going to do. This code, very important. You're going to copy it. Copy this code by touching this copy icon. After copying the code, the next thing, don't forget that it's through WhatsApp we chose, right? So this one is showing SMS, as you can see. So we are going to choose WhatsApp. So click WhatsApp, let it be on WhatsApp. After showing on WhatsApp, the next thing is for you to do, you can either copy it, but it will affect what you've copied before. So just click this icon, let it take you straight to your WhatsApp. So we are clicking this icon and it will confirm to launch WhatsApp. So it will take you to WhatsApp and open up automatically. If it doesn't open up, go back a second time and do it. You can see the message we copy is automatically here already, or you can still delete it. If it doesn't show, you can see it's the same thing, paste. It was what we have copied before. If it doesn't show, then you copy it again. So that is the message. Now the next thing is for you to send it. Send it to this number. Now is delivered. Now that it is sent, we'll go back to the app. Now that we are back to the app, you're going to see this one, this option. I have sent verification string. Next step. So click it and then it will say confirm, and wait for it to confirm, to be confirmed. You can see verification successful. Then sign in successfully. So you can see this is how we register. Then the next thing, you tap here, you come once every day, that is once in 24 hours, to activate your mining. As you can see, we have our base mining rate is 6.6667. Our base mining rate is 6.6667. So come touch mint. If you touch mint, you're going to see this. You can see this mining app has been on for some time. It started at 32. You can see 16, 8. We are currently at 4. So the earlier you join, the better. Now when you get a referral, you see direct referral, as you can see, we have 2.66 reward. That's what makes our mining rate to become 6.666. So the more people you refer, the more you increase your mining rates. To get your referral code or referral link, simply click this green invite icon and you will have this. You can choose to share it through any of the social media, or you simply copy the code. The other thing we must pay attention to is the security circle. Click this icon, you're going to see security circle, and you can see this add manually. Yes, when you add people to your security circle, it increases your mining rate, but you must be very cautious not to make terrible mistake, because many people are promoting this, telling us you can increase your mining rate by adding people to your security circle. For those of us who mine the Pi coin, you will understand what security circle is all about. Many of us lost a lot of Pi coins because most people in our security circle did not do their KYC, their verification, and as such, whatever we get through their them be added to our security circle, made our mining, whatever we mine, to be gone forever. But this one is a different case. If you have to go through the question and answer section of what the security circle is all about. But in summary, what this means is that if you add people to your security circle, if you lost access to your account, maybe you misplaced your phone, or your phone went bad, or for one reason or the other you couldn't log into your account again, and then you need to get access to your account, the system will randomly pick one person out of the many people you add to your security circle and send a message to the person. The message may be a code, it may be a link, it may be anything, to make, then the person is going to help you to get access to your account, since you were the person who added the person to your security circle. And this is the function. So if you pick anybody randomly that you do not know and you add them to your security circle, you may increase your mining rate, but at the end you may lose your account. So if you must add anybody to your security circle, let it be someone you know one-on-one, your friend, your neighbor, your brother, your sister, your family member, that you can easily have access to, so that should anything happen to your account, you can easily get access to that. So that is what the security circle is all about. So to add to your security circle, simply click it and you're going to pick the person's number, and then you follow the instructions from there. You add to your security circle. So be careful when you use the security circle option. So this is how you register and increase your mining rate in the Delta app.